10 matn. Travel more, spend less. Ko'proq sayohat qil, kamroq sarfla. Daniel's cheap travel blog. Danielning arzon sayohat blogi. This was a great year for traveling. Bu ajoyib yil bo'ldi sayohat qilish uchun. I took trips to France, Australia and Turkey. Men sayohat oldim, ya'ni sayohat qildim Fransiyaga, Avstraliyaga va Turkiyaga. I spent almost a month in each country. Men sarfladim deyarli bir yil har bir mamlakatda. Besides the cost of transportation, I only spent $600 total for all 3 trips. Besides bundan tashqari degani, demak o'zidan keyingi kelayotgan birikmadan tashqari deb tushunishimiz kerak. Transport xarajatidan tashqari men faqatgina sarfladim $600 umumiy uchala sayohat uchun. How? Qanday qilib? Well, I didn't stay in any hotels and I didn't eat in expensive restaurants. Xo'sh, men qolmadim, ya'ni turmadim hech qanaqa mehmonxonada va men ovqatlanmadim, yemadim qimmat restoranlarda. It's easy when you know the secrets to cheap travel. Bu oson qachonki siz bilsangiz sayohat sirlarini, arzon sayohatni. Demak, siz arzon sayohatni sirlarini bilsangiz, bu oson. For my first trip, I went on a working holiday in France. Men birinchi sayohatim uchun men bordim working holidayga Fransiyada. Ya'ni working holiday degani ishlab turib ta'tilga chiqish. Ya'ni ta'tilga boradi, lekin u yerda ishlaydi. Boshqa joyga. Every year, farmers in France hire travelers to come and work on their farms. Har yili fermerlar Fransiyadagi yollaydi sayohat qiluvchilarni kelishga va ishlashga fermalarida. I slept at a farm for free and every weekend I traveled around the country. Men uxladim fermada tekinga va har dam olish kunlari, ya'ni shanba yakshanba kunlari men sayohat qildim mamlakat bo'ylab. During the week, however, I picked fruit for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. Hafta kunlari ammo men uzdim mevalarni bir kunda 8 soat davomida, ya'ni bir kunda 8 soat meva tergan. Haftada 5 kun. Picking fruit isn't easy and sometimes it didn't feel like I was on a vacation. Mevalarni uzish oson emas va ba'zida uni his qila olmaysizki, ya'ni men ta'tildaman deb. Ta'tildaligingizni his qila olmaysiz ba'zida demoqchi. But I met a lot of great people and I ate a lot of delicious food at the farm. Ammo men uchrashdim ko'pgina ajoyib odamlar bilan va men yedim juda ham ko'p mazali mevalarni fermada. Demak, birinchi bo'lib Fransiyaga ta'tilga borgan, ishga borish bahonasida o'sha davlatda aylanib kelgan. Ya'ni u yerga ishga borgani uchun, tekinga joylashgani uchun sayohati arzon bo'lgan. For my next trip, I went backpacking in Australia. Keyingi sayohatim uchun men Avstraliyada backpacking sayohatiga chiqdim. Backpacking degani qadoqlash, ya'ni narsalarni ryukzakka joylashni backpacking deb tushunadigan bo'lsak, bu qanaqa sayohat turiki, hech qanaqa mehmonxonada turmaslik uchun yoki shahar tashqarisida o'rmonga, toqqa borgan paytda o'zini yotadigan joyini, chodirini, kiyim, ovqatlarini orqasida ryukzakda ko'tarib yurishni backpacking deydi. Yana Avstraliyada backpackingga borgan. During the day I went hiking and each night I slept in my tent. Kun davomida men hikingga, ya'ni toqqa tirmashib chiqishga yoki sayohatga chiqdim va har tunda men uxladim chodirimda. Carrying a backpack and tent all day can be tiring. Tashish sumkani va chodirni kun bo'yi charchatadigan bo'lishi mumkin. However, the mountains and beaches were so beautiful that I didn't think about my heavy backpack. Ammo tog'lar va sohillar juda chiroyli ediki, men o'ylamadim o'zimni og'ir ryukzagim haqida. Finally in Turkey I tried couchsurfing. Va nihoyat Turkiyada men sinab ko'rdim couchsurfingni. Couchsurfing bu shunaqa sistemaki, bu ham mehmonxona xarajatini oldini olish uchun maxsus tarmoqqa ulanib onlayn bu yerda odamlar o'zini bo'sh joyini taklif qilishi mumkin. Tekinga sayohat qiluvchilar ularning joyiga borib tunab qolishi mumkin bo'ladi. Bu to'liq tekinmi desa, uy egalari hech qanaqa pul olmaydi. Faqat o'sha maxsus tarmoqqa ulanish uchun sayohatchilar ozgina miqdorda pul to'lashi mumkin. Couchsurfing shu sayohatchilar uchun sistema. To Couchsurf, you can join a special online network. Couchsurf uchun siz qo'shilasiz maxsus onlayn tarmoqqa. This network connects travelers with hosts in different countries. Bu tarmoq bog'laydi sayohat qiluvchilarni hostlar bilan har xil mamlakatlarda. Host deganda mezbon deb tushunsak bo'ladi, kutib oluvchilar. Hosts invite travelers to sleep in their home instead of spending money on a hotel. Mezbonlar taklif qilishadi sayohat qiluvchilarni uxlashga o'zlarini uylarida. Demak, mehmonxonada pul sarflashni o'rniga. Instead of o'rniga degan ma'noda. You sleep in a bed or even on a couch. Siz uxlaysiz kravatda yoki hattoki divanda. That's why people call it couchsurfing. Shuning uchun odamlar uni couchsurfing deb atashadi. Couchsurfing is a great way to meet people when you travel. Couchsurfing ajoyib yo'l odamlar bilan uchrashishga siz sayohat qilayotganingizda. Sayohat qilayotganingizda odamlar bilan ko'rishish, muloqot qilish uchun bu couchsurfing ajoyib usuli demoqchi. All my hosts were really nice, but one guy had two big dogs and they were noisy. Barcha mening mezbonlarim juda ham ajoyib edi, lekin bitta kishida ikkita katta iti bor edi va ular juda ham shovqinli edi. It was hard to sleep there. U yerda uxlash qiyin bo'lgan edi. I have to go for now. Men hozir ketishim kerak. Two couchsurfers from Canada are coming in an hour and I need to clean my house. Ikkita couchsurferlar, ya'ni o'sha uyda tunab qolmoqchi bo'lgan sayohatchilar Kanadadan kelishyapti 1 soat ichida va men uyimni tozalashim zarur. Happy travels. Maroqli sayohat deb tugatyapti.